and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. I am a little sleepy, guys. I took my medicine, so figured I'd get some videos done for you guys before I go to bed. I want to get these uploaded tonight for you. So here's a Pantech PN-218. This is with Alltel. We're going to be doing an unboxing. I did pick this up off eBay a while ago. I've been working on getting it all cleaned up. It had that rubber stuff that deteriorated over time, so I had to clean all that up and then all that good stuff. And this was a brand new phone. It's never been activated, so I had to get past the initial programming menu needed. So you got the phone in the box. You have the battery. You have the proprietary Pantech charger. There you go. As you can see, Pantech. You have your user manual. And you also have a lanyard strap that came included. So here's the owner's manual. Got your product registration card. Almost gonna say that word. It's been a long day, guys. So there's a pretty big manual, but it is in looks like English and Spanish. So there's that. So gonna take a look at the phone. Here is the battery. I will go ahead and peel off this front because I've already had it off to clean it, so I'll go and peel it off again. But I'll keep it over here. So here is the front of the device. Definitely an unusual design. I do like it. It's kind of like the, I think it's the UT Starcom CDM 180. Because I know UT Starcom was bought out by AudioVox. I think Pantech is related with AudioVox because some of their phones use the same battery. Like this phone uses the same battery the CDM 180 uses. So it's pretty crazy, but let's go and shut it. On the left side, you have your 2.5mm headphone jack, camera key, volume rockers. On the bottom, you have your proprietary Pantech charger. It's a pain to pull out, so I'm not going to pull it out. Nothing on the right side. On the top, you do have your pull-out antenna. The chrome little piece on top. Pretty cool looking. It does have a little keyway, so it will only go in one or two ways technically. On the rear, you have your camera and your flash unit. Your extended removable battery right there. On the front, you do have a color display. You do got a speakerphone down there as well. There's it opened up. It's a pretty small phone. Let me see if I got something. I got my Google Pixel 2. We'll compare it to real quick. As you can see, kind of the same size, not a lot, but folded is about half the size. It's pretty cool looking. But opening up, you got a plastic keyboard that lights up in blue. Very nice looking. Pretty small too. I wouldn't say it's too big, but you can see my thumb's pretty much the whole D-pad, but I do got big fingers, so let's go and power it off. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the Pantech PN-218, and stay tuned for more.